Winter is now and truly here, and I thought today we're going to do a bit more of a relaxed video and give the old girl a deep clean.
My E36 has tested me a lot this year. It has caused me a lot of pain, a lot of trouble, and a lot of money.
But now it's pretty much fixed, and we've taken it to the Nürburgring, we've taken it to Silverstone, we've done many different track days and different events and car shows. So all the hard work has finally paid off.
But of course, with all that, it has now taken its toll. I mean, look at the state of the wheels. In fact, the whole car, if you look close up, is pretty dirty. Look at that.
I haven't done a cleaning video in so long, but I actually really enjoy cleaning cars, and it'd be good to get back into it. So of course, if you do end up enjoying the video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and let me know down below if you want to see more.
But to get the car clean, we're going to be using all sorts of different products. Of course, a big shout out to Auto Finesse. I'm not sponsored by these guys, but they always seem to want to send me out a load of bits, so massive shout out to them. We're probably going to be using most of this today. But of course, I've also got other products from other companies that we're going to be using as well.
I've got quite a few bits to do to this car before it comes back out next year, and I don't really want to store it in the state that it's in, so let's give it a bit of a spruce up. Also, completely off topic, I really hope you have a great Christmas and New Year. Next year is going to be mega. So first up, of course, we're going to be doing the interior, so I'm just going to be using a basic hoover with a few attachments, so interior cleaner from Auto Finesse and their glass cleaner, and also a little brush as well, and you'll see what I'm using it for later on. Okay, so we're making progress.
The interior is now complete, and it didn't really take that long, and I think that's because we obviously can't get in the back because the seats don't really move and there's a roll cage.
So if it was a full car, it would take obviously a lot longer, but it's looking so much better.
And to be honest, soon I am actually going to take the cage out, I'm going to take the seats out, and there's a few upgrades I'm going to do to the car so I can clean back there when I do all that. But I'm happy with the results, and it does look pretty good. And this is the other side. I don't know how well this will show on camera, but it's looking nice and clean.
But it's now time to do the outside, and I'm a little bit worried about the time. I've only got about an hour and a half worth of daylight, so wish me luck, but we're going to take the wheels off and clean them properly, clean underneath the arches, and we'll put the wheels back on, and we'll do the outside.
Okay, I'm leaving the degreaser to soak into the arches and then I'll jet wash them off. And then we'll cover the arches in snow foam, give it a good scrub, and then we can put the wheels back on. And speaking of the wheels, look at how good they've come out. That reactive wheel cleaner is very good. Like, if I turn the wheel around, I was kind of dreading washing them, to be fair, because they've been to the Nürburgring, they've got extremely hot. The brake dust is obviously like bedded to the wheel. But no, it has come out straight like it did from when Revolution Wheels refurbished them. Okay, so it's now the next day, and unfortunately last night it got a bit too dark, so I couldn't really carry on. But now the wheels are clean, the arches are nice and clean, the engine bay is nice and clean, and the interior is nice and clean. There's one more thing we've got to do, and that is clean the outside. And just like that, the car is inside and looking so good. But that is officially the E36 off the road, and I'm going to leave it inside the unit, parked up, and I'm going to work on it between now and summer and get all the little teething issues, because believe it or not, there's a big list to go through. Hopefully you did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And maybe next time I'll have a bit more time to make the video and we can go proper deep into cleaning cars, because this time I did a good job, don't get me wrong, but there's so many more steps you can add to make it just perfect. So yeah, so maybe down the line in the not too distant future we could do a full video, and maybe not even on this car, maybe a different car. But I'll catch you guys very soon.
Every Christmas, honey, yeah, the snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show forever.